Tesla, TSLA, is one of my favorite tickers to trade. I've had several high profitable trades in the past few years, and I just recently re-entered at $294, looking to take profit around $373 or higher. And in this video, I will go through my chart analysis on the TSLA price action and what to expect in the next coming weeks and month. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trader Goo. I am a part-time equity swing trader documenting my journey with high conviction trades, market insights and lessons learned. Let's get into the chart. I will start off by removing or hiding these tweets and then move to the monthly time frame. TSLA do not need an introduction, but what is mostly interesting for me on the monthly time frame is that in the end of 2024, beginning of 2025, we closed the monthly candle above the previous all-time high from 2021. And that for me indicated that we are in a strong bullish market structure, most likely heading higher. And I was actually in a trade already from 2024, like around May or June, all the way to the top here, closed it out at $268 or $264. That was one of my best trades of 2024. And I actually posted a trade analysis on my website, tradergoo.com, where I walked through where I entered, where I took profits, where I added to my position, and then finally closing it at $468. So if you're interested in such a trade review, you can check it out on my website. And once I had closed that position, I was expecting a retracement to the monthly bullish order block around $262 to $273. And we did make it there. The wrong one. And actually we almost invalidated this order block. The price moved almost all the way to the invalidation level around 212, but we didn't invalidate it, and we are still in a bullish market structure. And since then we have had a strong reaction to the upside, almost reaching the bearish monthly order block, which is at $373 to $390. And I actually entered into a trade in this area here and then rode that trade all the way up here to $360. And after that we had an additional retracement, and that is where I re-entered. So the monthly time frame still bullish. And if we are heading to the weekly time frame, we can see that we after making the all-time high, we actually switched from a bullish market structure into a bearish market structure. And then once we had arrived at the monthly bullish order block, that is where we created this bullish reversal pattern. And we actually went from a bearish market structure into a bullish market structure once we closed the weekly candle above $263. And this happened back in April this year for this candle. And currently we are in a bullish market structure. And we have had some retracement in the past couple of weeks. And that is, for me, mainly interesting that we were retesting this newly formed bullish weekly order block, which is located at $288 to $294. And this is actually where I re-entered last week, and my entry is around $294, and I'm actually expecting this to either move higher, that's what I'm betting for, but it could also of course be that we are completely breaking down, invalidating this weekly order block, retesting lower. We have to wait and see. But the reason I entered here on at the $294, it is partly because we are still in a bullish market structure, and even though we had this aggressive move to the upside, we never touched this bearish monthly order block. And I believe that we're still in that move going higher, and that would be this weekly level here, 373.04. that is my target. And the reason I had confidence of entering this trade was that on the daily time frame we had a bullish order block on the daily time frame. So here we had a weekly order block and we had a daily order block, and my hypothesis was that we would have a strong reaction in this daily order block, and I actually entered here at $294. And just so that you know, for my 25-year trading experiment portfolio, I am posting all of my trades live on my Twitter or X account. And this is where I entered $294. And when I entered this position here, I had originally placed my stop loss at the invalidation level of $214. And now currently we have had a move to the upside with almost 7%. I think this was 94.91, I think. But with this strong reaction now at the end of the week, I have actually moved my stop loss to a new invalidation level of 273. And I am expecting a move up to $373. Could be higher, of course, as well. We have to wait and see. That is a trade I am currently in. Although I am positioned in a long, expecting price to move upwards, it could be that price decides to go in either direction. And please bear in mind, I am not a financial advisor. I am just someone who enjoys sharing my journey with the viewers on YouTube and also my followers on Twitter. And if you believe this video was informative, you're enjoying the content, please feel free to press the like button or subscribe to my channel to make sure that you don't miss my next coming video. And if you are currently positioned in TSLA, please let me know your thoughts on the price action in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.